Hi everybody, it's Tim at enginefactory.com here. Just finished building this beautiful 632 Chevy 800 horsepower engine for our customer's 1967 Chevelle. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. We started with a brand new dart block, 4-bolt main block, all forged steel internals. Got the comp cams timing cover on there. The super dampener balancer on there, ATI. Correct Moroso oil pan for the 67 Chevelle. The AFR aluminum cylinder heads on there. All the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. We have the MSD ignition wires. All the wire markers are on there, all set. ARP head bolts. Aluminum intake manifold. Thermostat housings on there. Thermostats in place. Quick fuel 1050 carburetor on there. The 12x2 air cleaner with a washable element. MSD distributor, small cap distributor. Real important for the 67 Chevelle. Small cap distributor for firewall clearance. MSD ignition coil in place. Proper TCI flex plate for the 632 Chevy. Proper balance and tooth count. And for the customer's transmission, high torque mini starter. Braided dipstick tube and stick. PCV braided line on there. All the heavy duty AN8 fuel lines up to the carburetor. Fuel pressure gauge on there. Gas filters installed. High flow fuel pump all set. All the fittings in place. Customer is running the MSD digital 6-box on there. It's all wired up for him, all set. Every engine is live run at the engine factory for over 45 minutes. You'll get a video of your engine running in a stand, water temperature, manifold vacuum, oil pressure, cold and hot. Timing will be set, carburetor fully adjusted, drop-in ready to go. Customer is getting the pulley kit that'll be coming in a few days. I'll install that. There you have it, our 632 Chevy 800 horsepower turnkey package engine, ready to go. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.